Behind every powerful smash, every precise drop shot on the court, lies a silent companion, the badminton racket. But have you ever wondered how such a small piece of equipment holds the power to transform an entire match? This is not just a story of technology. It's a story of meticulous craftsmanship, creativity, and passion. Let's embark on this journey where a lifeless material is transformed into a masterpiece ready to dominate the court.
Preview.
Every racket begins its journey in a mold, where its shape is first crafted. Each mold is carefully cleaned and inspected to ensure it is free from any imperfections. Next, carbon fiber, a material known for its lightness and incredible durability, is layered into the mold. This is the skeleton and skin of the racket, where strength and flexibility are born. Once ready, the mold is placed into a hydraulic press, where immense pressure compresses the layers together, forming the perfect frame. And so the story begins. After the frame is shaped, it enters the finishing stage. Skilled workers carefully remove any excess material and prepare the frame for drilling. Each tiny hole is drilled with precision, ensuring it is perfectly positioned for the strings that will follow. This step requires absolute accuracy, as even the smallest deviation can affect the racket's performance. Next, the frame is sent to the grinding workshop, where rough edges are smoothed out. Any uneven surfaces are refined, paving the way for the next phase of the journey. The frame is now strengthened with a special powder coating, enhancing its durability and ensuring an even surface. Once the powder has dried, the frame is meticulously polished to achieve a flawless finish. Then comes the transformation. In the spray painting booth, the racket is given a stunning coat of paint. Vibrant, glossy colors bring the racket to life. Finally, in the watermark room, a unique watermark material is applied, adding a signature touch to each racket, a mark of craftsmanship and identity. A great racket not only needs strength but also comfort. This is why the grip is carefully wrapped with premium tape, providing both a secure hold and a comfortable feel. Small rubber grommets are inserted into the string holes, enhancing both aesthetics and durability. Then comes one of the most critical steps, stringing the racket. Skilled hands weave the strings vertically and horizontally through the frame, creating a perfectly interlaced network. Each string is pulled taut with precise tension, giving the racket its optimal elasticity and balance. Every racket comes with a trusted companion, its bag. These bags are more than just protection, they showcase the style and identity of the racket. Logos and designs are printed with care, and each stitch is sewn with precision to ensure durability. Once everything is complete, the racket undergoes a final inspection, ensuring every detail meets the highest standards. Now it is ready to hit the courts and become a part of a player's journey. A racket is more than just a piece of sports equipment. It is the result of meticulous craftsmanship, cutting-edge technology, and unwavering passion. Every detail carries a story, so when you hold it in your hands, you're not just holding a racket, you're holding a journey. Let this racket be your companion as you write your own story on the court.